Everyone has their own definition of freedom, and this is how I find mine. Two-lane, open roads, blue skies, green pastures, and the rumble of my Harley Davidson as I rumble down the road. Some guy named Webster says freedom means the power or right to act, speak, or think as one wants without hindrance or restraint. I'm not sure if I buy his definition or not. My definition of freedom is the open road, blue skies, sun, gas in my gas tank, and the endless miles of wind therapy. Road Glide Renee, guys, coming to you live, and I pulled up next to a sunflower field. Look at that. That is absolutely freaking beautiful. I'm 35 years old. I've never stood next to a sunflower. And look at how amazing that big wind turbine is. Hopefully I don't get shot by any farmers or nothing like that. I'm not stealing any sunflowers, guys. I just could not pass the opportunity to come over here and see this, man. This is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at these. These things are above my waist. I've never stood in a field of sunflowers. These things are huge. I love sunflower seeds, so man, look at that. That is freaking amazing, guys. Road Glide Renee, guys. We're just out. We're taking a cruise. We found a new road. This is 490 coming out of Rio Grande City. There's Mocha right there. Man, she looks good. She's all cleaned up. We're just riding, guys. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Thursday afternoon. Definitely couldn't wait to get out here and go for a quick spin. This is an empty 2-lane road. Look at that. You can literally stand out here in the middle of the road, guys. Look at how awesome that is. A few cars passing every 10-15 minutes or so, but man, you want to talk about wide open Texas beauty? This is it right here, guys. Road Glide Renee, guys. I'm gonna come back here in probably about another month or so, and I want to stand next to these sunflowers when they're about my height. So I hear sunflowers get pretty tall. What's up, guys? Road Glide Renee coming to you live from South Texas. We found a new road today. Do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, put some comments down, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new videos drop, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. As I realized my luck for the day had run out, I slowly headed for the shoulder as I knew the trooper was behind me. He followed me for maybe 300 yards before he started to turn the lights on and pull me over. I knew I was speeding, but I didn't know how much I was speeding. I just passed the county line sign that said 60 miles per hour. Come to find out, I had my cruise control set to about 67. So we're going to pull over here and we'll take our ticket like a big boy.
Stop full of speed. Let's get off the road here. Speed limit 60 on this road. You got a driver's license? Can I get it? No, so you just came past the county line. It's 65 on the other side of the it's another county. So
Right home, Michigan.
just ride with it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Hang tight. How long you had this?
That's a 2020. I got it in December.
Okay. Hey, it'll be a warning for the
Yes,
speed.
sir.
All right. Hang tight.
Yes, sir. After a brief but pleasant encounter with Texas DPS, I was back on my motorcycle, again chasing freedom, no ticket, and a warning. It pays to be polite. This guy seemed to be having a great day as he waved to his coworkers as they were finishing up the road work that had me waiting for about 20 minutes or so. Looks like they're laying down some brand new asphalt or something like that. Well, this has been an interesting ride. We got pulled over by a state trooper. We got stuck in a traffic jam for probably 20 minutes at least, and then we ran into a cross-dressing trucker, looks like. Hey, it is what it is. Be prepared to travel. Better. As I continued my ride, I realized, man, if I could bottle this thing called freedom, I would give it away to people. Guys, do me a favor if you haven't done so already. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Also, put some comments down there. Let me know what you think of the video and give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Keep the shiny side up and the rubber side down, and find your own freedom.